So another week, another good project. We've made some headway on this one. This is a good customer out of Virginia. This is their W9 Kenworth. It's got a C15 cat in it. And they wanted to go do some uphill loaded trailer racing up in Canada/Michigan. It's a big thing up there. These guys are down south a couple states, but they are just heavy into semis, their thing. So they kind of came to us and they wanted to do a set of compounds on their semi. So this is a pretty cool little deal. It's got two Weimers on it. It's got a 4.4 on the manifold and a 5.6 up top. I know the semi kind of makes it look not as big, but this is almost done. It's kind of waiting on a couple things as well. Kind of unsure what we wanted to do. Yeah, charge pipes are kind of done. The hot pipe's done. Turbo's mounted, which took a little bit of time considering where I had to sit. We couldn't really put it outside to the, I guess, passenger side, like a side-by-side kit like we usually do. So this is a little bit different, more of an over-under kit, just with two extremely large turbos. So got to finish out the exhaust on it. It'll be 6-inch all the way back down, but these tend to have, if you have anybody ever seen the videos of them, they flex and move a bunch. So we have to have a pretty long section of flex pipe for the exhaust. So we'll finish that out and kind of redo some of that, and got to move. They still want to use the factory breathers, which are in the back, which makes things a little interesting. So we actually have to kind of come off the front of the turbo with a guillotine still, and actually kind of merge and make our Y and, go breather to breather on both sides. So once we get that done, got to remake an upper radiator hose, a couple other small things, but making some good progress on it, and just hopefully be done here relatively sooner than later.
All right, guys, here we have Brian's truck. We are kind of venturing out a little bit just to kind of see. Brought the truck in here, said it runs weird or has a little bit of a miss when it's cold. So brought it in, diagged it a little bit, and come to find out it is not bulletproof like he was told. So I'm getting ready to lift the cab up. Got head gaskets to do, new heads, high pressure oil pump, oil cooler, just a little bit of the typical things that like to go out on a 6-liter. So might as well fix them while we're in there, and then we'll go from there. So it's funny that we work on a 6-liter and our guy Austin Denny, he's so intrigued. He's a 6-liter guy himself, but it's just funny. So the high pressure oil pump looks new, so I think we're gonna end up leaving that in there. And next step would be to clean the deck of the block and put head gaskets on and start going back together with it. cap back down, went ahead and torqued the heads, resealed the oil cooler, plugged a lot of the connectors back in that need to be plugged in, and here in a little bit we hope to fire it, so make some smoke with it.